Today I'm going to talk about different cue action styles which professional players or amateur players use. This topic is not very well discussed on YouTube or on other channels, and today I just want to introduce how different players using different cue action styles to fit their game and achieve results, best possible results for their individual case. To give you a brief understanding, I'm going to use two extreme cue actions, Luca Brecel and Mark Allen. So I'm going to start with Luca Brecel. So Luca Brecel is well known for his very long backswing and long bridge. So you see lots of shots he plays. He plays with longer than standard bridge. For example, here, a very smooth backswing and long backswing to the V and delivery through. And let's say Mark Allen, in this case, plays a little bit different. He uses a shorter bridge and shorter backswing, like this. And both styles can be effective, but they are a little bit different and require a little bit different approach to achieve results. So here I'm going to play a T line of variation, and I will explain the feelings. I'm going to use Luca Brecel cue action, which I more prefer to use me personally, and Mark Allen, which is pretty foreign for me, but the feel is going to be a little bit different, so you could understand which style for your individual case to use, especially if you are a little bit more experienced. I'm going to start with, for me, unusual one, Mark Allen, shorter bridge, shorter backswing, quicker tempo. So usually shorter backswing requires quicker tempo for many shots, and let's see how I'm going to do. And I'm just going to play a basic T lineup. So usually Mark Allen is doing this, shorter backswing, shorter delivery. Of course, he's using a little bit more of wrist in his cue action, but for the simplicity's sake, I'm just going to focus on the backswing part. So that kind of shot, he will play a little bit quicker backswing, quicker delivery, just like that. And I feel, compared to my usual one, that my wrist automatically starts to work. That's very interesting. Of course, that's not easy for me to do, but that's what I feel. So lots of shots he plays with a shorter backswing, and I can understand why over the short distances his control on cue ball pretty good. Of course, over this shot, you don't need longer backswing. Yes, you can use this one. But it's more concrete, it's more like a surgery move for me. It's not as flowy as, let's say, Luca Brecel's or my personal way, but it's more exact, precise move. And modern way is more like a longer swing, which most of the coaches talk, and I also use this personally. But there are some players, like in the past, you know, Tony Drago, Mark King, Dave Harold especially had a very short backswing. They were using that kind of style. So even they play power shot, they could use this one. Sorry, I had a kick. I will repeat the shot. But even with the shorter backswing, they were able to generate pretty much nice power. I'm going to play with touch of left hand side, topspin, like this. And if you could maintain pretty soft grip during delivery, that's pretty fine. Next video I'm going to make about the grip, how different players using different grip, but that's a little bit different topic. Today we just talk about cue action. So Mark Allen likes to use shorter feathers, shorter backswing, delivery through. I'm going to play a few more shots. Let's say I'm going to play pink, hold it for the middle. I'm doing my best to play his way. Yeah, so that's pretty much like Mark Allen plays. And now I'm going to use Luca Brecel cue action. I'm going to start from here, and now you're going to see completely different style. So for many shots, Luca likes to play longer swing. It's more like flowy action. Players like Ronnie O'Sullivan, Mark Selby likes to use long backswing. And you see that for many shots they're using that kind of longer, softer backswing, and automatically, to get the job done, delivery has to be also smooth. So it's definitely possible to play both ways, but the most important thing is to be consistent as you do and control cue ball. And that's what coaches try to emphasize, especially on those modern conditions where the timing is very important. And usually coaches like to get away from that kind of old-fashioned way like in the past players played. Yeah. Especially this shot, players use longer backswing. You get the idea. Back to Mark Allen, and this is like a good practice for you to try different styles to see which suits to you. So again, switching to Mark Allen. Was a little bit lucky to put the ball, but that gives me a different kind of feel what is required. Now I'm gonna play a little bit shorter backswing. So yeah, it's more wrist has to be included. When you play that shot, I will repeat the shot. So when you have a shorter backswing, it's more firmer grip. And when I'm using, let's say, my Luca Brecel way, it's more softer way. The backswing has to be a little bit more gradual, and the hands has to be a little bit softer. But both ways can be really effective. And let's say Mark Allen way is very effective when you are around a black ball area and you want to get through the gap. That could be very beneficial, you know, especially for those shots. You want to be a little bit shorter backswing, shorter bridge, where the precision can be required. Also, you can be using Luca way, longer backswing, almost like a diesel move. Pretty difficult to control, but some players are benefiting from this kind of action. So it proves that you can do both ways. You just have to find a way which works for you. So you could replicate under pressure during tournament play, in your practice games, you know, and just be a little bit more creative in your training process so you can understand what works for you. I'm saying this not for the maybe early beginners. In early beginning, maybe I would, me personally, go for the longer swing because conditions are allowing to be a little bit softer. But let's say if you are intermediate or, you know, advanced player, maybe you have to stick to your own style and fine-tune it and make it better. So that video was about two different distinctive styles. Of course, there are players who are using something in between, but try to see which works for you and work it out. Thanks, guys, for watching. Until next time.